Okay, number 10 is asking us to identify the statement that's not true. So I'm guessing there's going to be one that is not true and the rest will be true. So let's start with A. Feels like a logical place to start. So the inverse tangent of this ratio, B over A. So remember, tangent is opposite over adjacent. Tangent means opposite over adjacent. So the B value, the opposite value over the adjacent value, that means we're shooting from angle B here, okay? So this is referring to angle B, okay? Over here then, we have the tangent, the inverse tangent of A over B. That would have to be the opposite over the adjacent. So that would be shooting from angle A. So I think you can already tell that A is the one that's not true. But just to make sure that you understand what's actually going on here, I want you to listen to the rest of this video, because if this comes up again, you'll be glad you did. All right, so let's go to the letter B here, the tangent of B over A, or inverse tangent. So in other words, what this is saying is the angle whose tangent is B over A. Well, so the opposite over the adjacent. So this is the angle whose tangent is B over A. So this is talking about angle B. Now, which angle is this talking about? Well, the sine, remember sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, right? So if we're looking at the opposite over the hypotenuse, that has to be shooting from angle B as well, because that would be the opposite over the hypotenuse. Right there's the hypotenuse. And that's also coming, that's shooting from angle B. So this is in reference to angle B as well. So you kind of see what they're asking for? Both of these trig, inverse trig functions are referring to angle B, which means that these are going to be equal to each other. Whereas this one is referring to angle B and this one's referring to angle A. That's why we can conclusively say that A is the one that's not true. Okay? And you could follow through that same logic with C and D and discover the same thing that we discovered about angle, or about letter B. Okay?